welcome back. All right, in this section of the video, you'll be learning how to upload and install a website template on cPanel. So this will be a step-by-step instruction on how to upload and install a website template like WordPress, Laravel, Joomla, and the rest. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to install WordPress and also load up a website on the WordPress page after we must have installed it. So you'll be learning everything that has to do with the installation of WordPress on the cPanel. Okay, so let's quickly dive into that. So if you've been watching my previous videos, you should be familiar with this cPanel interface. So this is host tools. So this is where you can get your hosting for your files. So in the future, I will also be showing you how to build a website using WordPress from scratch. So we'll be doing that from local server and into our web server we'll be getting online, which is the hosting. So let's quickly dive into that. So we'll be scrolling down to this section of the cPanel where you have your Softaculous app installer. So this is a section in the cPanel where you can install website templates for your cPanel. So as you can see, you have WordPress, you have Joomla, and the rest. You can see you have Laravel. So you can have situations where you have clients that the software or web templates you'll be making use of for their job will be Laravel or Joomla or WordPress. So this is a place you can install them before you begin. So let's quickly go into WordPress, which is what we want to install today. So it's loading up. So this is the Softaculous page. So for those of you that don't know what WordPress is, if you're new to WordPress, as you can see, WordPress is a software you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. You see, we like to say this, that WordPress is both free and priceless at the same time. So it's an open source project, as you can see here. You want to install the app. So these are related apps also, but we will not be needing this for now. So let's quickly dive into that. Let's click on install now. So this is a website I already have on my server. So I will be creating a new link, a new folder inside the directory of my cPanel. So this is where the WordPress file will be saved when we create or install this WordPress. So as you can see, we are to create the site name, the site description. This will be the admin login details, the admin username, the admin password, and the admin email. So this is for the plugin. These are things you might select if things you want. So if you want a situation where you can get backup, you can choose you want to back up your website. You can also get this plugin installed. This says improve page speed. You can also select that. So if you want more security, You can limit login attempts. If you want to get your mail sent to inboxes, you can check your email with SMTP. So if you want to have a separate file manager for it, you can also check this. So we wouldn't be needing all this for now. So let's just install the WordPress page like that. So for here, you can see advanced options. This is a place you are to create your database name. Remember, I showed you how to create a database in the previous video. So you can also create a database here without going back there for your WordPress, and also select the prefix name you want your WordPress to have. So I'll show you where this applies in the database. This is for the theme. If you want to select a theme for your WordPress website. So these are existing WordPress websites. So we can also preview them. So let's quickly preview this. So you can see this is a website, a WordPress website you can install on default. So let's say we want this theme for our website. We can select the theme. Let's say yes. So the theme has been selected for our WordPress page will be loading up. So let's go back up to now create the name of our website. So let's name this you can see something. I said my first website. So let's name it my first website. My first website, yes. So this will be my WordPress. Let's change this to website. So for the admin username, so you can leave it as admin. Then for the password, you can maybe use any password. So I'm going to use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the password. This is the admin login, the admin email, where the details will be sent. So you can also change it to something else if you want to receive it in your own personal email. You can do that. So after this, we'll have our admin name, admin username, and admin password. This is our website's name and the website description. So let's quickly click install. So you can see our WordPress is installing right now. So let's just give it a little time to install. So now our WordPress has installed successfully. You can see congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And this is the link to our WordPress website. This is the link to the admin page. So let's quickly click on that and see what will load up. Voila, and this is our first website. As you can see, it's even give us a default logo, my first website. So this is the home page, the about page, the contacts, the services, and the blog. Wow, so we just created a website right now using WordPress. You can see how easy that was. So you can start modifying or editing this page on your own. So, but that wouldn't be in this section. I just wanted to show you how you can install a WordPress website or template in your website or your cPanel. So this second link here is the administration link. So let's click on it to see what page will come out. Okay, wow. So this is our admin page. So it even took us straight into the admin page to see what it looks like. So this is the dashboard. This is the back end, what it looks like. This is where you'll be managing your website. This is the posts, the media, the pages, comment, the appearance. So this is where you can change your theme, customize your websites, change your menu options, change your username, the settings, and all of that. This is the website. You can visit your website from here, which is this page. Let's click on the About Us page to see. So you can see it's loading up perfectly. This is a very beautiful website. So if you just need a quick website for your business, you can use WordPress because it will just give you a full package of what you want. So the services page and the blog page. So in another video, I'll be showing you how to actually design a website. Like maybe you do it from a local server, do it yourself. For people who don't have access to a cPanel yet, or you've not gotten a domain name, or you've not purchased a cPanel yet for your website, you just want to learn how to design a WordPress website locally on your computer, I'll be showing you how to do that. So in that section, we'll be using XAMPP as our local web server. So stay tuned and you'll be learning more from me. So I think this video should, let me, and so if we can, as we are done with the installation, let's quickly go back to our cPanel page. So let me just quickly show you something. So you can see, let's go to the database quickly. So it created a database for us. So this is the database it created for us on default because we didn't select any database name and password, but it created it for us on default. But if you wanted to create it yourself, you click on the advanced option in the Softaculous page and create it. I showed it to you then. I wouldn't be opening it for now. Let's go back and let's go to the file manager, where it created a new folder for us. So if I go to the public_HTML, I will go to search for WP. So this is the WP. So let's quickly open this up. Open, and we can see this is our WordPress website files. So these are our files. So I'll be showing you in the other videos how this works, these files, what are inside them, and which one makes which work. So I think this video was gone quite too far. So let me end it here. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you also subscribe to our page. Make sure you also drop a comment if there is anything you want to ask or you feel you didn't understand. I'll be here to reply you. Thank you so much.